Hi DCS Dragons, I'm here with my wonderful mom.
Hi.
And today we're going to show you how to make a quick pistachio Jell-O, our favorite. Stay tuned. Alright, you DCS Dragons. So here are the things we need to make our Jell-O. So we need a nice little bowl, a whisk, some milk, and a measuring cup. Alright. Add 2 cups of cold milk into our measuring cup.
Ooh. There we go. Made a little mess, but that's okay.
Then we're going to pour it into our bowl. Then we're going to pour our Jell-O contents into the bowl. There we go. My favorite. All right, DCS Dragons. Now it's time to whisk and beat the pudding for 2 minutes. Mama, would you like to hold this for me?
Sure.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.
All right. This is the quickest way to make some of my favorite Jell-O. And then after this step, we're going to simply put it in the refrigerator for 5 minutes. And then we're going to have a yummy tasting dessert. This is also a nice little arm workout too for 2 minutes. You got it, Mama. Whisking for about 2 to 3 minutes. You could see the Jell-O is a little bit more thick. And now it's time to go into the refrigerator. Thank you, Mama.
You're very welcome.
Now we must wait 5 minutes. Then we have a nice dessert. All right, DCS Dragons, it's been 5 minutes in the fridge. And as you can see, our pudding looks nice and ready to eat. So I'm just pour a scoop, a couple scoops. Delicious. All right, DCS Dragon, happy holidays. Thank you for joining us, DCS Dragons. All right, have a wonderful holiday. Bye.
Bye.